Hey there, good morning. This is New Year's 2024, and I figured I'd share 2021 1500 Sierra GMC no start. So if you guys ever have this issue, I'm sure things you probably could check. Maybe wasting your time, but overall, I wanted to just show you guys what I've learned to be the no start issue on this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. So check this out. Oh, get in here from the brake, and it won't stop until it feels like it. Right? I'll push that. Still going. There it is, right? So, now you can go in here, check the fuse. If you don't know, there's a fuse panel right here on the side. And if you look down here, there is no fuse for a fuse pump or anything of that sort. So, I've already done all that, nor relay. Checked all those, so that doesn't fix the problem there. Oops. So let me turn that off here. All right. A little trouble here. It's really not that hard. I'm just kind of in. In here with only one hand. There we go. Not bad. All right. So now we go around to the front of the truck, and here's the other fuse box that is here. And if you see here, once you check, which I did, all the fuses are good, and all the relays, and there is no fuse or relay for a fuel pump. So, tried all that. What else fails? What else fails? Disconnect the batteries. Touch them together for like 30 seconds. Try to let everything clear from the ECU or the PCM. And hope that will do it, right? Or call your local dealer or just make a media post. Any of your GM friends, anybody have any idea what the common no start problem would be on a 2021 or late model GMC Sierra or 1500 Chevy? And they're going to tell you it's probably the fuel pump power control module, which is located back here under the truck on the spare tire. But that's not it. Before you try and chase one down at a dealer and you find out they're unavailable, you're basically going to go into your truck and you're going to say to yourself, what did I do to this thing to make it not start? I'm like, it just ran minutes ago. I parked it. And you're like, I think I know what the problem is. So here it is. So when you come in these trucks and you have these nice new GMC floor mats, see that? Sat there and held down the throttle, accelerator pedal. Now I've done this twice, guys. So you think I'd know not to do that and make that mistake. Well, watch this. Put on the brake. Voila. No start. Problem fixed. So nothing than a driver error cleaning out his floor mat. So future guys, don't clean out your floor mat and throw it on top of your accelerator pedal, because you're going to be thinking, how many miles are my truck? Is it almost out of warranty? How much is a tow? Shit, does my wife have AAA? That's all the stuff you're going to be thinking. when your dumb butt puts your floor mat on top of your accelerator pedal. So first new lesson for some, maybe this year, 2024, as it was mine twice in 2023. And I got to thank a friend, Joel, at Fab, for reminding me, hey, your truck isn't starting? Is it the same thing you did at my shop that one day when you cleaned your floor mat out? Ding, ding, ding. Yes, it was. Hey, wifey, go try and move my floor mat and start my truck, see if it starts. Yeah, baby, it starts. Well, there it is. So, if you guys ever make this mistake one more time, here it is. Do not put your floor mat on your accelerator pedal of your 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. It will not start, I promise you. And you want to play a joke on somebody sometime? You could do that too. See you guys.